Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can sign up for the Deriv affiliate program. If you are a forex trader or a synthetic indices trader or a blogger or a YouTuber or a social media manager, it's a very good idea that you join the Deriv affiliate program so that you can refer traders to trade on the platform while you earn commission when they trade. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know in order to join the Deriv affiliate program. As you can see here, this is my affiliate account with Deriv. This month alone, I've made $500 from my affiliate commission. So if you are a trader and you are not signed up for the Deriv affiliate program, you are losing out on the big time. It's very simple. Just create an account, an affiliate account with them, and then send your affiliate link to your friends or anybody looking to start forex trading so that they can sign up using your affiliate link. In that way, you'll be able to earn commission where they trade. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Deriv affiliate program. So this is the official sign up page for Deriv affiliate partner. I've included a link to this page in the description of this video. So once you click on it, you are going to be brought to this page. So as you can see, there are different type of affiliate commission, or let me say commission plan, that you can join. We have revenue share, we have turnover plan, and we have a CPA called cost per action. So also we have another one called master affiliate. Let me just walk you through each of them one by one. The first one here is revenue share. In revenue share commission plan, you are actually sharing the revenue Deriv generates when your client trade on their platform, and the percentage at which you share this commission is 30%. When the total revenue generated by your client is less than $20,000, then Deriv is going to give you 30% of the revenue while they take the remaining 70%. But when the revenue is greater than $20,000, then you are going to be given 45%. So the next commission plan here is turnover plan. As you can see, this is strictly for those trading options and multiplier. So you can also join this turnover plan if you know that your client is going to trade more of multipliers and the option. But for this one, this is the one I've joined, and this is for the customers that trade CFD. So the third one here is CPA, also called cost per action. Now there's one thing I have to point out. This CPA is for European based citizens only, while this revenue share and turnover is for non-European based citizens. So if you are joining the Deriv affiliate program and you know you are based in Europe, you need to make sure that you select CPA while trying to sign up. But if you are not staying in Europe, then you can choose either of these two. So for this CPA, this is how the commission works. You'll be paid $100 when your client deposit a cumulative sum of $100 into the Deriv platform. So this is a very nice commission plan, but unfortunately it's only available for clients that is based on Europe. The last one here is the master affiliate. As a master affiliate partner, you will be able to refer other people to become Deriv's affiliate partner. And here is how it works. When you refer somebody to become Deriv's affiliate partner, then that person will be able to refer client to come and trade in the Deriv platform. And here is how Deriv pay commission. When that client trade on the Deriv platform, then 20% of the revenue that Deriv generated from that client will be given to you. Then 30% of it will be paid to your sub-affiliate, while the Deriv will take the remaining 50%. So I am Deriv's master affiliate partner, and I encourage you to use my link in the description of this video to sign up as an affiliate partner on Deriv. If you are signed up using my affiliate link, I will add you to a group I've created where we share the strategies that we use to promote our affiliate link with the Deriv platform. So that's all about the commission plan. Then, just like I said before, I've included a link to this page in the description of this video. Once you click on it, you are going to be brought to this page. Then to sign up, the next thing you need to do is to locate this button and then click on it. Once you click on the link, you are going to be brought to this page. This is the official form that you need to fill in order to become Deriv's affiliate partner. As you can see, some of them has a asterisk. All the one that has asterisk is compulsory. That means you must fill it. while the other one that does not have asterisk is optional. So I'm going to walk you through each of these fields one by one. So the first one is the username. I believe you know what a username is. Is a kind of the name you would use to identify your account with Deriv. So just make sure you enter a username that you remember, because it's actually your username and your password that you use to log into your Deriv account after they get it approved. Then the next one is the password. As you can see, the username is required because it has asterisk. Then the next one is password. Then enter a password that you know you will remember, and also try to make sure that the password is complex so that somebody can't guess it. So you enter the password here, you also confirm it here. Then the next one is the email address. You need to enter an email address that will be associated with your account. Just enter an active email address so that you'll be able to see updates from Deriv, whether they have approved your account or other updates. So the next one is to select whether you want to subscribe to their newsletter. So I recommend you subscribe. uh, as an affiliate partner, you need to know some of the updates when they are changing, when they are upgrading their site, or some of the activities that they will implement. So the next one is the country. You need to select the country of which you are from. So just search for your country here and select it. Then the next one is the commission plan. Just like I said before, there are three different type of commission plan. We have revenue share, turnover plan, and CPA. One thing I must remind you is that this CPA is only for European based citizens. Just be aware of that. Then if you are not from Europe, you need to make sure you select either of these. I recommend you choose revenue share because that is what I'm using, and their commissions is amazing, guys. So just select the commission plan of your preference. Then the next thing is to fill in your first name. Enter your first name here and your last name. Then another one is your date of birth. As you can see, all this is required. Then the next one is to choose whether you are trying to create an individual account or non-individual account. 99% of the time is going to be an individual account. So you select an individual, and if you selected an individual account, don't need to fill in this field. As you can see, they said if non-individual, fill in your business or company name, business or company registration number. So I doubt you are going to select non-individual. So the next one is the country die code. That is the prefix, that first three country die code. If you are from Nigeria, it should be +234. So depend, you can make research of your own country's die code and then input it and then select it here. Then the next one is your WhatsApp number. Ensure you input your WhatsApp number, an active WhatsApp number. After signing up on Deriv, your account, Deriv will give you an account manager, and they will be able to reach you easily through WhatsApp. And it's necessary because after signing up, there are other activities or there are other things you need to do in order to be earning more commission. For instance, you need to join the Deriv's IB program, and it's only your account manager that will help you to do that. So ensure you put an active WhatsApp number here. So the next one is the country die code. Also, you need to select your country die code. Just be aware that you are selecting the country die code for this mobile number here. Remember that the one you selected is for your WhatsApp number. So mobile number is the one that they can use to call you, while WhatsApp number is the one that they can use to message you on WhatsApp. So make sure you select your country die code here and also enter your mobile number here so that they will be able to reach out to you. So after entering your mobile number, the next thing is for you to enter your address. So I believe you know what your address is. Just type in the address that they can use to locate you here. So after that, you need to enter the town or city of which you are residing on. Also, this one is for state or province. So enter the state of which you are residing on here. So as you can see, all of this is has asterisk, so it's a must. But these two, called postal or zip code or your account Skype ID, is optional. If you have your Skype code, you can enter it here. You can also get your zip code and enter it here, but it's optional. So after that one, the next one is for you to enter the the direct link where you want to promote Deriv. So if you have a website that you want to use and promote your affiliate link, Just go and copy a URL of the website and put here. If you are using your YouTube channel, Telegram or WhatsApp group, Facebook page, Instagram or Medium to promote Deriv, just go and get the URL and enter it for them here. Is to show them that you are serious and you are ready for work. So after that one, you need to write a description of how you plan to promote Deriv. You can tell them that you have a website and you plan to promote your affiliate link using the website, or you can tell them that you are a forex trader and you want to recommend your friend to use Deriv to trade. So just make sure you enter a reasonable thing here and then click on consent that you are older than 18 years. After that, verify this recapture, agree to their terms and conditions, and then click on this sign up button to submit your application. Now, one thing I must point out before I end this video is that after signing up, after submitting your form, you need to allow Deriv like 24 hours for them to review your application and get back to you whether your account was approved or not. I've had experience of many people complaining that they have signed up for the affiliate program, they are unable to log in. I am here to make it clear for you that after signing up and your account is not approved yet, you can't sign up. You have to allow them to review your account and approve it first before you can log into your account. I have recorded another video on how you can navigate this Deriv dashboard. As you can see, there are many things here, and if you are new to this platform, you won't be able to know what each of these pages are for. I've recorded a video on how you can navigate through the Deriv dashboard. I will include the link to the video in the description below. So after getting your account approved, ensure you watch the video so you'll be able to know how to promote your account better, how to track what is working for you. So that's all for this video, and before you leave, if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, kindly make sure you do that. In the next few days, I'll be uploading videos on how you can promote your Deriv link. I'll be sharing my strategy, the strategy that I've used to gain 156 sign up on Deriv in just 2 months. So if you want to grow quickly, ensure you subscribe and turn on notification so that you'll be the first to know whenever I'll drop a new video. So thank you and see you in the next video.